You're dealing with real people with real problems that really have clinical significance. They're great formulas. You know, especially for menopause. I mean, menopausally, the classical stuff is not that strong. Using products versus customizing formulas. The pros and cons. I mean, in chronic conditions, you may or may not want to customize the formula, or you may find something off the shelf that works for you. In my practice, okay, and I can do both, I have 500 products in my pharmacy, 500 different manufactured Chinese herbal products. And about half my patients will get something off the shelf. About half my patients get something customized. When I customize now, we do it as powders. I use KPC powders, and I mix them up and shake them up and give it to them. I used to make alcohol extracted tinctures, and that's because I had an herbalist who would do that for me. I faxed her a formula. She brought back the formula in 2 days. You had to wait 2 days. Patient compliance was great. But she moved to Ohio, so I stopped doing that, and we went to the powders. Powders take really little shelf space. You know, I use 250 herbs when I customize, and I can get them in an area like that. But I also have 250 raw herbs, because I still make tinctures. Yeah?
Cost per day, patient?
On my pricing, I charge $35 for a 100-gram bottle. In that 100-gram bottle are 28 doses. So most patients get 2 doses a day. So you got 2 weeks. You know, is that right? Yeah. I give 3 or 4. I like to give about 4 spoons of the dose. It's better if they take them 3. The reason I don't give them 3 is nobody will do it. Nobody, unless they're hurting. Unless they're really suffering, they'll do it. But most people will not do it. So you got to get it done in 2 doses. And the people that are really lame, I say, you know, take it when you get up and take it before you go to bed. You know, if they're pills, I leave them in your bathroom. Take them before you go to bed, take them when you get up. Now, you can't believe poor compliance. I tell patients, you know, the herbs work so much better if you swallow them. You can't put them under the pillow, you know, and absorb it.
They taste so bad.
Pills don't taste bad.
No, the granules do.
Correct. I have them mix it with any sweetener they want. Sugar, honey, maple syrup, stevia. But tell them, basically I say, make it like a shot glass, bolt it down, have some water. It's done. They used to tell people to put it on their tongue. That's cruel. That's cruel. You know. About half will get customized, half will get pills. With pills, I'm comfortable giving 2 products at a time. But if I think they need more than 2, I'll make it myself. It's just too much. It confuses the body, that many herbs. The other rule of thumb is you can do adjoining burners, but don't do upper burner and lower burner at the same time because the body's getting 2 different medicines. You can't take a bladder formula and a lung formula at the same time because the body's splitting the energy. When you take an herbal formula, it acts like one whole thing. It's like one herb. You know, as far as the body's concerned, it's one herb. It's got one energy, one direction, one effect, you know. It really becomes one thing. So you want to focus the attack. If you want to do or need to do 2 different burners, separated by time. Don't take them at the same time. So most people don't customize. Number 1 reason, not enough skill. Number 2 reason, poor patient compliance. So everybody's left to products. Now, good news, bad news, there's like 1,500 products out there. If you go to my document, who's got what, there's 1,500 products on there. I don't say what's in them or what they're for, only by category. For menstrual cramps, here's a list of products. It's up to you to go on the website or get their catalog. Find out what's in it, how to use it. I'm just listing it, so you can say, oh yeah, I got that. I can use that, I got that. So we come back to products are very convenient. Now, some people say, well, the products are so weak, they don't do anything. That's not true. I know this. I've been using products since 1980. It's not true, but it's dosage dependent. You have to raise the dosage from what they say on the packaging. Now, the best way to do that is to have a gram scale